Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a AI talking photos using Pippit AI. So first, just open Pippit AI web like this. I have put the link in the descriptions and pinned comment, so you can just click the link from there to open this web. And don't worry about the credit, because Pippit AI will give you 120 free credits every day. And then next, to create a AI talking photos that looks natural, just click this, click this, just click this feature, AI talking photos. And after that, just upload your photos that you want to turn into a talking photos. For example, like this. And then just adjust the size as you like. For example, like this. And after that, just tap on done. And then after that, just click this checkbox and then just tap on next. And then next, just write your script over here, the script that you want the photo to say. Or you can also upload audio clip over here. But in here, I just want to write a script. Just tap on edit and then just write your script like this. And after that, just choose your character voice. Over here, just choose the voice that you want.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
For example, I want to choose this one, and then just tap on confirm. And then next, you can adjust the captions. You want to show it or not. And then next, you can also describe about the gesture and movement of the photos to make it more natural. Just describe it over here. For example, I want to describe it like this. And after that, just tap export. Tap export if you're satisfied with the settings. And then next, just tap on export. And then you can adjust the watermark over here, and then the resolutions and quality, frame rate, and format that you want. And after that, just tap on download. And then just wait for a moment. And let's take a look.
Hello. Remember, a healthy life starts with small habits. Eat balanced meals, stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Don't forget regular checkups and managing stress. Take care of your body. It's your most valuable asset. Stay healthy and happy every day.
And okay, like this, I think the result, it looks so good with the natural movement and gesture like this, and even it has subtitles that look so clear like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.